I'm gonna have to call you back. What the hell are you doing on my motorcycle? And who the hell are you? I like your motorcycle. I always wanted one, and I don't have one. So I figured, you know, you're not using it. I just figured I would take a look at it, and I'm done. So just because I'm not using it right now doesn't mean that you get the right to get on my motorcycle and play with it. So get off my motorcycle. Matter of fact, you've got 3 seconds to get out of my garage before I kick your ass.
Welcome back to the channel. So finally we're getting the opportunity to do this mod that I have been so excited to do ever since I got into the motorcycle world. So one of the things that we're going to be working on today
is getting rid of that. So what Harley did very well is give people a seat that is going to be absolutely comfortable on any situation while riding. And I think they really executed well when it comes to comfort and style. It's not too bad. But it leaves room for growth. And I think that's where we're at today. So let's get into it. So I'm really excited to get into this box. I haven't opened it yet, so this is going to be us getting to experience this together for the very first time. What did I go with though? That's going to be the question. Let's get the blade here. I am really pumped about this. So I decided to go with Saddlemen. Saddlemen proves in most of the videos and most of the things that I've read to be one of the best, if not the very best. So I'm really excited about this. They didn't sponsor this video. Obviously I'm not very big of a YouTuber right now, so they don't have any idea who I am. So getting a chance to get a Saddlemen seat and install it on the Harley, I'm super excited. So let's get into it and see what it looks like. I did opt to customize a seat rather than buy it from a place like Rev-Zilla, which you have the ability to do. You can go to a aftermarket website that does parts for motorcycles, and you can order through them, and typically you can get a really nice seat that's already designed. It's already been built. You can buy it from them and they ship it within a week. But with Saddlemen, when you go to their website, you have the ability to go through all of the different options and set the seat up to be exactly what you want it to be. Custom stitching, custom color, whatever it is. You can actually customize the seat down to their brand logo on the side of the seat and their name on the side of the seat to be a different color as the stitch that's on the seat. So many different options on the pattern of the stitch, so many different options on the lumbar support and the shape and the style that you want to go with. I did do more of a basic, but I do believe that this is actually going to accentuate the bike tremendously, and I can't wait to see it. So let's get into it. First open. That's not good. It's not good at all. It's great. Oh, this thing is absolutely epic. They packaged it so well. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get this seat on the bike. They did really well. So we're gonna clean this tabletop off. Here we go. I don't know what to, okay, it's zip tied actually. That's different, a little bit unusual. Pull this zip tie off here. Put that away. And she comes right out. Look at that. Let's get you guys in here. So look at how meticulous of a stitch this is. when you order it through them, you get this pristine stitch all over the seat. I can't wait to get it on the bike and see what it looks like. Oh, and that blue is gonna go so well with the bike. It's unreal. I can't wait to get it installed. So let's start working toward it. So in order to complete your installation, first you have to take off this stock Harley seat. First, take off the rear screw, which is super simple. Once you pull this screw off, there's only one step after that. You can take a 10mm wrench and actually take off the bolts that are holding your seat strap mount and pull those off. Or option 2, open your bag and you can remove these 2 screws here, one on this side, one on the other side, and it'll give you the ability to remove your strap if you don't want it on the bike. I don't want it on the bike. Always keep the hardware from your bike. You never know if you want to take that seat off and take it back to stock when you sell the bike or trade up. And then of course, if you want the job to be even easier, you can just remove your bags so you can get to everything a little bit quicker. And now you've got the ability to see everything a little bit clearer, and you can actually get in there and take this bolt off. And that's it, 2 pieces. This clip, which has a pin that locks into the frame right here, one 10mm bolt on each side, and this bracket comes off, and you're good to go. Do the same on the other side. Okay, so here we are. We've already got our screw out, everything's good, the seat is ready to come off. Just lift up on the back and tug on the front, and the seat is off. Now this is a good time to come through and clean all of this up, just because you're already here. Obviously what you're going to notice around the tank and some small locations back here in the back, you're going to see where you can obviously tell that your stock seat has rubbed a little bit and created, I guess you could say, scuffs on the clear coat. There's not a lot you can do about that. It's going to happen, but this new seat is going to cover a lot of that up, so you won't have to worry about it. Now what you're going to want to do is take this rubber washer that they've supplied you, place it underneath the seat ring, and then you're going to want to tighten it down. And now you're all set to enjoy your ride with your new saddle and seat. I'm really impressed with how good this seat looks. Now, let's just go see how it feels. Alright, let's get on it. Seat. Whew. like this. I like this. There's the new seat. Fresh on her yesterday.
Damn. Can I touch it?
Yeah. Right? It does match really, really well. Not perfect, but it's good enough. The only thing is I've got to come through here and find out how I can buff out this stuff. I tried using a clay bar yesterday with that old seat rubbing the paint. I may not ever be able to get it off.
Yeah, I know that's gonna bother you.
Yeah, it is. It is. But I'm happy. I'm happy. And it's going to take some while to wear it in too, so I think it looks a lot closer to your seat.
Yeah, I was gonna say that from here it looks like mine, but yours is just a little.
It's a little bit more of an arch, yeah.
Either way, man.
Yeah, in time. I'll wear it in and then we'll see how it really feels.
Yeah.
You can real quick.
That heat coming up.
Yeah.
I had not too long ago, matter of fact, I made the decision that it wasn't a good idea for me riding this thing home from work because the traffic gets so bad on 80. And
Dallas is horrible.
This-
Everyone's getting 80 in Garland. It's horrible. This heat.
yeah, this thing got so hot, bro. My ass was on fire, my thighs were on fire, and it started, the bike started acting like it was gonna die out, so I was like, I gotta get it off the road.
Yeah.
It overheated.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, I had to be real careful with that. So,
Yeah,